Imagine a sculptor standing before a block of stone. It's rough, untouched, but in his eyes, it holds infinite potential. What if that stone was you? As the sculptor picks up his tools, he sees beyond the cracks and rough edges. With every strike, he isn't just chipping away stone, he's uncovering something powerful within. The process is tough. Every hammer strike sends dust flying. Every cut brings resistance. And yet, he knows it's part of the journey. The stone resists change, just like we resist stepping out of our comfort zones. But transformation demands sacrifice. As hours turn into days, he doesn't stop, even when it feels like he's nowhere near the masterpiece he envisioned. But what if this persistence, this unwavering dedication, is the real magic? Then one day, the sculpture is complete. A figure emerges, refined and resilient, a true reflection of his vision. And in that moment, the stone's purpose is fulfilled. Like that stone, you have boundless potential. All it takes is the courage to let go of what holds you back and the patience to shape yourself into who you're meant to be. So ask yourself, are you ready to sculpt your own path, no matter how rough the journey may be?